minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Now by George, good for 6 minutes and 10. Bruce Wayne. Valencia, Jumper, with 9 points. Samantalang Johnson Valencia, away from downtown, minuto at 2 saglit. Video underdog. Reserves. Swears, Quijada, away from downtown, Quijada. Jesus mas, hermano, at syempre ang ating pong Gosandi. 1 minute and 20. One jumper for 2 points para sa ating first quarter. Yung alamangan, Johnson Valencia.
40 seconds left for quarter number 1. Begin the driving in from the strong side.
Outside jumper, good. 17 seconds remaining. Shot down is off. 12 seconds remaining. Good for 2. Yung basketball, 6 minutes and 14. Shot clock down to 2.
To foul. And first team foul. Dalawang free-throws para kay Guape. In favor by 18 points. The first free-throw by Guape, good for 1. Last and final free-throw by Guape, good.
Lugo Torreira working from the top. Lugo, 3 points.
Tayo ay nasa last game na muna. Tayo ay nasa last na final game. At easy ball. Guape at the lines. Last and final free throw by number 5 ni Kamati. Good for number 35. Loading for the Madang inside jumper.
Championship game 1.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat sa inyo pagsama sa aming dito for this game 1 nga ng ating labanan sa camping na ito. In 3 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Sabi ko Jason, a ball cross inside. Good for
Remains on 3 minutes and 37.
Agawan po ko. Ang bola ang isa na yan. Good for 7. Ang bola naman inside.
Walking for 3 seconds to go. Good for 2 points by Johnson Valencia.
6 minutes and 40. Pag-ibig inside jump.
Kabandan, may tahan ng bola, Cedric Paralera. Kita easy shot. Shot back down the line. 5 minutes and 4 seconds.
5 seconds on the shot clock.
Good for 2 box. Kami dyan sa last. Laban sa din ng Rockets. Said Kobe, good for 2.
Johnson Valencia in 4 minutes and 1 remaining.
Paglaro, 40 laban sa 27. In favor, Alvaro. On flight, good for 2 points. Kobe. Para magaling may tayo ng bola, Alvera. Balak bubuan ng 3, inside pass na manan, going for Dennis, good for 2 points.
I said the speed is on fire, easy pocket now.
Good for 2 goals. Dalawang minuto na rin ang oras for the third period. 1 minute and 55. Good for 2 points. Jason, the remaining time para sa ating second half third. Period. Jason on the move. Nice job.
Ross Gomez, binigay ni Valencia at Terry Madeja.
Pupoy Madeja. 3 points. 45 scored. Number number 3, Utokol. Yes, sir. Good for good. Down to 5. 3 seconds. 3 seconds on the shot. Outside jumper. Madeja. 3 points.
Lagi ba nila bawat mula din sa ating isipin ang good point.
Sa Luciano. Cases sa Pitula on the post. And jumper for 2 points. Good. 9 against 83 score. In favor pa rin po itong nasa din namin. Sa last Jason sa Pitula. This is the last na final theory ng ating ball game sa Pitula on the move. Good. Tipong SBD na Lakilaw.
2 minutes and 50. A jumper for 2 points.
Outside jumper, 3 points. Score for 7 seconds to go. Aruera nakasama. Hindi mo lang kay Corte inside. Aruera, knocked in and good.